Panama, there is a kid who is a professional tattoo artist, the youngest in the world. He is a kid who's holding a needle to carve ink on people's skin forever. Who is he? Why is he doing this? And who would get a tattoo from a 15-year-old kid? In the country of Panama, I found Ezra.
Hey, I'm Ezra and I've been doing tattoos since I was 11 years old.
Up until Ezra was 11, he was just a normal kid like any other. But one day, he saw his mom get a tattoo. And he thought,
that looks so cool.
The tattoo artist asked him if he wanted to try the tattoo machine. Ezra said yes. He picked up the machine and never put it down again.
That moment changed my life forever. I instantly fell in love.
How could a kid do tattoos? It's not like a doodle book that you can erase. A tattoo lasts for life. It's like putting a surgeon's knife in the hand of a baby.
From day one, I was aware of the risks, and my mentor didn't let me tattoo anyone until she absolutely knew I was ready.
Eventually, though, the artist said yes, and he let him practice on an orange skin for practice, then another orange, and another grapefruit, and another grapefruit. Day after day, night after night, he became better. Forever.
There was a lot of pressure on me because of my age that I knew that I had to do it perfectly. So it was almost like I had to pay more attention than I would like in school or something like that. And everything I did, I was watched over very, very closely to make sure I was doing it 100% correctly and safely.
All of this so he could master the needle before ever putting it on a person's skin.
I don't just think of it as a hobby, I actually take it very seriously, and I never allow myself to make a mistake.
And his efforts paid off. His mom was the first supporter and the first volunteer and let him tattoo her skin. And at the age of 13, he could already do tattoos like this. Slowly, Ezra became one of the most famous tattoo kids in the world. Now, dozens of people from all around come to this house in Panama to ask this little kid for a tattoo.
When someone's getting a tattoo, they're sharing their life story under skin. So I want to be able to help them share that with the world.
And what's even more crazy is that Ezra himself does not have a tattoo yet. He is taking his time because at the end of the day, tattoos are a lifelong decision. At the end of the day, Ezra and his talent shows us that age is nothing more than just a number. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love Nas Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. Nas Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the Nas Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And Nas Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.